तर्क संग्रह। निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्क संग्रहः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। So in the last class, what we have seen, let us revise a little. Anumana Khandam, we are beginning from there. Anumitikaranam, Anumanam. Anumanam is Pramana. Correct? I can't hear anybody.
Swamiji.
Anumana Karanam. Anumanam is Pramanam. It is Karanam. What does it do? Anumiti. Anumiti. Anumiti Karanam, Anumanam. What is Anumiti? Paramarsha-janya Jnanam Anumiti. Page number 52. Paramarsha-janyam Jnanam Anumiti. So, what it means is, if you do Paramarsha, Tajjanya Jnanam is the Jnanam attained through Anumana Pramana. That Jnanam is called Anumiti. Jnana Karanam is called Anumanam. Karanam is Anumanam. Jnanam is Anumiti. What is Anumiti? Paramarsha-janya Jnanam Anumiti. What is Paramarsha? Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam Paramarsha. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. This is where we were. Vyapti is Visheshana. Paksha Dharmata Jnanam is Visheshya. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam is called Paramarsha. Tat Paramarsha Janya Jnanam is Anumiti. Anumiti is the Karana. There, Anumiti is the Karana. There, Anumiti, where there is Anumiti Karanam, Anumiti becomes Karanam. That Pramana is called Anumanam. Anumiti Karanam, Anumanam. So now, Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata. In Moolam, what is given? Yatha Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. This Jnanam is Paramarsha. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. So in this Parvata, I see Dhuma. And in this Dhuma, there is Vyapti of Vanni. So, Vanni Vyapti, I have Smarana. And Dhuma Darshana is there in Paksha. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. Parvata is Paksha. Iti Jnanam Paramarshaha. Tajjanyam Parvato Vanniman. Jnanam Anumitihi. What is Vyapti? That was explained. Yatra yatra dhumas tatra tatra agnihi or vannihi. Iti sahacharya niyamo. What is sahacharya niyama? Samanadikaranyam is sahacharya niyama. You have to remember this. So somebody had a question on this. What was the question?
व्याप्ति विशिष्ट परामर्श धर्मता.
व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता. हाँ, व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता ज्ञानम is called paramarsh. So paramarsh means, in English, if you want to say, deliberation. What are you going to deliberate? Two things. Vyapti also, paksha dharmata also. Paksha dharmata means, in paksha you have to see hetu. And at the same time you have to remember vyapti of hetu with sadhya. In hetu, sadhya is vyapaka. Means wherever there is hetu, sadhya is there. This you have to recollect. He will explain. And then in paksha, hetu jnanam also should be there. When you see paksha, dhuma in parvata, you are seeing dhuma. At the same time, you have to recollect the vyapti, dhuma vanni vyapti. If only one of them is there, let us say you see the parvata, you don't see dhuma. Without seeing dhuma, dhuma vanni vyapti jnanam is of no use. You cannot do paramarsha. If you see dhuma in parvata, but you are not able to remember dhuma vanni vyapti, then also that jnanam will not do anumanam. I'll give you an example. Our Vedantic anumanam is vyavaharik satyam mithya drishyatvat swapna prapanchavat. Whatever is vyavaharik drishya, vyavaharik prapancha is mithya. What is the hetu? Drishyatva. Drishyatva is the hetu. Clear so far? Drishyatva is the hetu. Now we are seeing vyavaharik prapancha all the time. If you don't remember this vyapti, yatra yatra drishyatvam, tatra tatra mithyatvam. If this vyapti you don't remember, you will see drishya and nothing will happen. So you have paksha dharmata jnanam, but it is not vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam. So paramarsha is not happening, anumanam is not happening. And let us say you remember the vyapti, yatra yatra drishyam tatra tatra mithyatvam. But your attention is not on any particular vyavaharik prapancha, which is drishya. So paksha dharmata is not there. Vyapti jnanam is there. Paksha dharmata jnanam is not there. Then also paramarsha will not happen. Okay, so both are required. Vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam. Now we are going to see Padakritya, page number 57. Padho, read from Nanu.
Nanu, ज्ञाता इयं व्याप्तिः पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानम् इति अत्र को नाम पक्षधर्मता इति अपेक्षमाणं प्रति तत्स्वरूपं निरूपयति व्याप्यस्य इति.
को नाम is there or का नाम is there? का नाम. Because paksha dharmata is strilinga. Nanu, ज्ञाता इयं व्याप्तिः. चलो, व्याप्ति is known. ज्ञाता इयं व्याप्तिः. पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानम इति अत्र का नाम पक्षधर्मता. But when you say pakshadharmata jnanam, what is pakshadharmata iti apekshamanam prati. Apekshamanam means
those who are
हाँ, दिस पर्सन
one
इन
to one.
सिंगुलर एक वचन. अपेक्षमाणम साधकम प्रति और वादिनम प्रति, whoever is the वादी, तत्प्रति तत्स्वरूपम निरूपयति. नाउ स्वरूप इज गिवन इन द मूलम. व्याप्यस्य पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वं पक्षधर्मता.
व्याप्यस्य पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वं पक्षधर्मताम्.
व्याप्यस्य पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वं पक्षधर्मता.
व्याप्यस्य पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वं पक्षधर्मताम्.
व्याप्यस्य पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वम. व्हाट इज द व्याप्ति?
यत्र यत्र धूमः तत्र तत्र वह्निः.
इन दैट व्हाट इज व्यापक?
वह्नि.
हाँ,
वन्नी.
हु गेव द आंसर? Who gave the answer? Vanni. Vyapaka is Vanni. Dhuma is Vyapya.
व्याप्य.
व्याप्यस्य पक्षधर्मता. व्याप्यस्य पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वम. पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वम. वृत्तित्वम means to be there. Parvata will become adhikarana where व्याप्य is present. व्याप्यस्य पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वम. घटस्य भूतलवृत्तित्वम means what? घटस्य भूतलवृत्तित्वम means घट is there on भूतल. कपेहे वृक्षवृत्तित्वम means
Vriksham kapire.
कपितान् वृक्ष.
Kapi is monkey. So monkey is there on the tree. Vyapyasya parvatadi vrittitvam. Vyapya is there in parvata, which is the paksha. Adipadena, wherever drishtanta is there, there also. But here we want paksha. Vyapyasya parvatadi. So wherever Vyapya is there, parvata, anywhere else where there is paroksha jnanam. Any mandir is there far. From mandir smoke is coming because they are doing some yajna. So there dhuma is there, so vanni will be there in this way. Vyapyasya parvatadi vrittitvam pakshadharmata. So in paksha, dhuma, which is vyapya, has to be present. That is vyapyasya. Now you see further. Read further.
व्याप्यो नाम व्याप्त्याश्रयः स च धूमादिः एव तस्य पर्वतादिवृत्तित्वं पक्षधर्मता इत्यर्थः.
व्याप्यो नाम व्याप्त्याश्रयः. What is vyapya? Vyapya is the ashraya of vyapti. Vyapti is ashrita in vyapya. Why is vyapti not ashrita in vyapaka? Why it is said it is ashrita in vyapya? Because remember, if you say it is ashrita in vyapaka, vyapaka is adhika desha vritti. Vyapya is nyuna desha vritti. So everywhere vyapaka could be there, vyapya need not be there. But if vyapya is there, vyapaka is definitely there. So vyapti's ashraya is vyapya. Vyapyo nama vyaptyashrayah. Such a dhumadihi eva, that is dhuma, etc. Means whatever becomes your hetu, that is vyapya, which is vyapti ashraya. Tasya parvatadi vrittitvam पक्षधर्मता इत्यर्थः. That dhuma remaining in parvata, paksha, is called pakshadharmata.
सच धूमादि
No,
एव तस्य
after that,
पर्वादि
next line, atha,
अथ कथा
katham,
अथ कथा अनुमान
anumanam,
अनुमितिकरणम्
anumitikaranam,
अनुमितिकरणं कथं वा तस्मात् अनुमिति तेज
anumiter, janihi,
अनुमिति
janihi, iti,
जनिः रीति
jignasamanam,
जिज्ञासमानं प्रति लाघवादानुमान विभाग मुखे नैव नैव और एक
बुबोधयिषुर अनुमानम विभजते. अथ कथम अनुमानम अनुमितिकरणम. How do you say anumanam is anumitikaranam? Because earlier itself we started today anumitikaranam anumanam. How do you say anumitikaranam is anumanam? Katham va tasmat anumitehe janihi. Tasmat, kasmat, kasmat anumitehe janihi. Tasmat, what is tasmat? What is the answer? Tasmat means kasmat. Tasmad anumitehe janihi. Katham va tasmat. How from that anumiti will happen? From that means from anumanam. From anumana pramana, how anumiti jnanam utpatti will take place. Tasmat anumanat anumitehe janihi katham. This is the question. First question is, how anumanam is anumiti karanam? Second question is, how from anumana anumiti utpatti will take place. Iti. Jignasamanam prati, the one who has jignasa towards that student, jignasamanam prati, lagavat anumana vibhaga mukhe naiva bubodhaishuhu anumanam vibhajate. So what is the main question? How anumana pramana will produce anumiti jnanam. Pramana is there, how jnanam will take place? Anumana pramana is paramarsha-janya jnana. Vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam is paramarsha. Paramarsha-janya jnanam is anumiti, right? So, how this anumana pramana is going to produce this? So, that is the question. So, Laghavat, instead of elaborating, minimum thing what is to be answered is, he will show Anumana Vibhaga. How many types of Anumanams are there? Anumana Vibhaga Mukhe Naiva Bubodhaishuhu Anumanam Vibhajate. Bubodhaishu. What is the dhatu? Buddha dhatu. And what pratyaya is there?
तुमुन प्रत्यय
Tumun pratyaya.
सन प्रत्यय प्लस निच प्रत्यय.
San pratyaya is there and nij. Sannanta, nijanta. Bubodhaishuhu. Bubodhaishu means the one who has desire to make this knowledge available to the student. बोध कराने की इच्छा वाले, बुबोधयिषु। बुबोधयिषु अनुमानम विभजते. So now anumana vibhaga is being shown in Moolam. Anumanam dvividham
द्विविधं
स्वार्थम परार्थं च
स्वार्थं परार्थं च
अनुमानम द्विविधम
अनुमानं द्विविधं
स्वार्थम परार्थं च.
स्वार्थं परार्थं च.
Anumanam is of two types, Swartha and Parartha. Swarthanumanam, Pararthanumanam. In Tika, Dvaividyam darshayati, Swartham Parartham cha iti. Read further in Tika.
स्वस्यार्थः प्रयोजनं यस्मात् तत् स्वार्थमिति समास
Samasa.
समास
स्वस्य अर्थः प्रयोजनम यस्मात्. अर्थः means प्रयोजनम. स्वार्थ is given. स्वार्थ means स्वस्य अर्थः. अर्थ means प्रयोजनम. स्वस्य अर्थः प्रयोजनम यस्मात् तत् स्वार्थम. This is the samasa. Samas means this is the samasa vigraha. Samasaha. Further.
स्वप्रयोजनं च स्वस्यानुमेय प्रतिपत्तिः
स्वप्रयोजनम is स्वस्य अनुमेय प्रतिपत्ति. स्वप्रयोजनम, because it is said swasya artha prayojanam. What is swaprayojanam? Swasya anumeya pratipatti. Pratipatti means jnana. Swasya anumeya jnanam. Swasya means of one's own person. Let's say Devadatta. Devadatta can do swarthanumanam for himself. Devadatta can do pararthanumanam for Yajnadatta. So when Devadatta wants to do the anumanam for himself, that anumanam will be called swarthanumanam. When Devadatta wants to communicate this to other person, parasya prayojanam, anya person is the prayojanam, then that anumanam will be called pararthanumanam. So swaprayojanam swasya anumeya pratipatti, and parartham means for anya. So when a person wants to do anumanam for himself, he does not need too many things. For example, let us say you are ready to go for a walk and you see clouds. What will you do? You will not say, okay, let me see what is paksha, what is sadhya, what is hetu, what is vyapti, what is paksha dharmata. What will you do? You will pick up umbrella. The clouds are there, anytime it can rain. So this is a Swartha Anumana. In Swartha Anumana, you don't need to put everything. Even though it is there, but you don't have to specifically mention them. What is Pratignya, what is Hetu, what is Vyapti, ityadi. Where is Drishtanta? That in the past, whenever it was cloudy, I did not pick up the umbrella, it rained, I had to stand near some shelter, I got wet, etc., etc. So but Pararthanumanam, if Devadatta has to explain Yajnadatta, who does not know anything, who is going to ask, why are we taking umbrella? Then what will you say? Then you will have to explain each step. You see, there are clouds. Whenever there are clouds, water-bearing clouds, they will bring rain, like it happened few days back. You will have to put everything. So that is called Pararthanumanam. So Anumanam is of two types, Swarthanumanam, Pararthanumanam. Swasya artha prayojanam yasmat, then it is Swartha. Parasya artha prayojanam yasmat, tat Parartham. Finish the Padakritya.
एवं परार्थमित्यस्यापि
हाँ, एवं परार्थम इत्यस्य अपि. Now you have to finish the vakya because the Tikakar only said evam parartham iti asyapi. So you will have to understand parartham. In that also you have to understand samasa and pratipatti. Parartham parasya artha prayojanam yasmat tat parartham iti samasah. Para prayojanam cha parasya anumeya pratipattihi. Para prayojanam means I have to make sure the other person gets the knowledge. For that I do vyapti, paksha dharmata, ityadi, ityadi. Further now, in Moolam. Swartham swanumiti hetuhu
स्वार्थं स्वानुमिति हेतुः
तथाहि स्वयमेव भूयो दर्शनेन
स्वयमेव भूयो दर्शनेन
यत्र यत्र धूमस्तत्र तत्राग्निरिति
यत्र यत्र धूमस्तत्र
महानसादौ
तत्राग्निरिति
व्याप्तिं गृहीत्वा
व्याप्तिं गृहीत्वा
पर्वतसमीपं गतस्तद्गते चाग्नौ
पर्वतसमीपं
सन्दिहानः
तत्तद्गते चाग्नौ
पर्वते धूमं पश्यन्
निधानः
व्याप्तिं
पर्वते
स्मरति
धूमं पश्यन्
यत्र यत्र धूमस्तत्र तत्राग्निरिति तत्र तत्राग्निः इति.
यत्र यत्र धूमस्तत्र तत्राग्निः इति.
Okay, let us see this much first. Swarthanumanam, first is Swarthanumanam. So he is explaining. Swartham swanumiti hetuhu. Swasya anumiti hetu. Swartham swanumiti hetu. तथा ही स्वयमेव भूयो दर्शनेन oneself, he himself, because of bhuyo darshanena, again and again, if he has done darshanam. What? Yatra yatra dhumas tatra tatra agni, yatra yatra dhumas tatra tatra agni. This is bhuyo darshan. Punah punah darshanam. Iti mahanasadau vyaptim grihitva. In Mahanasa, Pakashala, Vyapti he has seen repeatedly. Dhuma is there, one is there. Dhuma is there, one is there. Now that person, Devadatta, Vyaptim grihitva, Vyapti grahanam is done. Now you see this Bhuyo Darshanena, in Nyaya Darshan, they expect that Vyapti is only after Bhuya Darshan. In Vedanta Darshan, Bhuyo Darshan is not needed. Once also if it is done, it is enough. Vedantin are liberal. Only thing is, it should be correct Vyapti. If there is Vyabhichara, then it is not okay. Vyaptim grihitva, then Parvata Samipam Gataha. Now he has gone near Parvata. He is gone to Ganga Ghat, so now he is closer to Parvat. Parvata Samipam Gataha Tad Gate Cha Agnau. When he has gone there, Agnau Sandihana. Agni Vishayaka Sandeha is there to that person. That person is called Agnau Sandihana. Agni Vishayaka Sandehavan. Agnau Sandihana. Parvate Dhumam Pashyan. In the Parvata, he sees Dhuma. Vyaptim Smarati. He remembers Vyapti now. So you see, Parvate Dhumam Pashyan. What is this called?
Pakshadharmata.
Pakshadharmata Jnanam. Who answered? Good. Pakshadharmata. Parvate Dhumam Pashyan. This is Pakshadharmata Jnana. And Vyaptim Smarati. So Vyapti Smarana also should happen. I told you both are required. Pakshadharmata is also needed. Vyapti also you have to recollect. If you can't remember Vyapti, then, so this is now Vyapti Vishishta Pakshadharmata Jnanam is complete. Vyapti Vishishta Pakshadharmata Jnanam is called Paramarsha. So Paramarshi is there. Yatra yatra Dhumas tatra tatra Agnihi. This is Vyapti. So Vyapti is there, Pakshadharmata is there, Paramarshi will happen, Anumanam will happen. Tadanantaram Vannivyapya Dhumavanayam Parvata
Nivyapya Dhumavanayam Parvata
Iti Jnanam Utpadyate Ayameva Linga Paramarsha Ityuchyate.
Ayameva Linga Paramarshya Ityuchyate.
So now Tadanantaram, you have Vyapti, you have Pakshadharmata, Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha Iti Jnanam Utpadyate. This was already said earlier. On page number 52-53. 52 it was said, Yatha Vanni Vyapya Dhumavanayam Parvata iti Jnanam Paramarshaha. So this kind of knowledge takes place. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavanayam Parvataha iti Jnanam Utpadyate. This is called Linga Paramarshaha. So Linga is Hetu. Dhuma. Dhuma is called Linga. Lingyate, it will be given. Leenam Artham Gamayati. It is Lingam. So, what is otherwise hidden is revealed. And through that, you are able to do Paramarsha. So you see Dhuma, you remember Vyapti, you immediately understand Vanni has to be there. So the best part of this Vyapti is this. Of the two members, Hetu and Sadhya, Vyapya, Vyapaka. When you see Vyapya, even when you don't see Vyapaka, it has to be there. Like if you see somebody Sukhi, this person must have done Satkarma. Sakama Satkarma in Purvajanma. If you see somebody Virakta, this person must have done Nishkama Satkarma. This vyapti you will have. Because without that, vairagya will not be there. So just by seeing vyapya, you will have vyapaka jnanam. This is the importance of anumana. Because every time, now how do we know whether this person has done satkarma or not? You see his current state. From this, you will do anumana. Because there are so many people, why only such people are exceptional? Some specific karma they have. It has to be satkarma. It has to be nishkama satkarma. This vyapti you have to gather. Same thing for us also. If I want to progress, let's say I want to have vairagya. I want to have vairagya, I don't have vairagya. What is missing? Nishkama satkarma is missing. Whichever way you gather vyapti, you say bhakti is missing. Because if bhakti is there, Ishwar prati prema is there, then vairagya will be. Or mumuksha is weaker, so if mumuksha is more, vairagya will increase. Vairagya increases, mumuksha will increase. Whichever way, objective of this kind of anumanam is to tell me what I otherwise cannot know through pratyaksha pramana. There I will need anumana. Where pratyaksha pramana cannot work, there anumana will work. In this way. You say, I need sahachar darshan for vyapti. Where do I get sahachar from? From Shastra. In our life, we may not be able to see somebody has done satkarma, it is nishkama satkarma, he has vairagya. But Shastra will give you vyapti. How is Yudhishthira different from other brothers? You have to get vyapti. Satyena labhyas tapasa hyesha atma. So, somewhere you have to gather information for vyapti. With that vyapti, you see paksha dharmata, you do anumanam. Vyapya is there, vyapaka has to be there somewhere. In Shastra, many times, they have glorified Shama, Dama, Shama, Dama. You say, what is the use of this? There are people without having Shama, Dama, they study Vedanta. Nobody is stopping them. Why you have to say this is needed, that is needed? So there you need this. This vyapti will help you. Look, this person does not have Shama, Dama, he studies Vedanta. What is the result in their life? Another person has Shama, Dama, he studies Vedanta, what is the result in their life? This difference I will recognize. Then I can do paramarsha. So anywhere such things are required. Linga paramarsha ityuchyate. Moolam further. Tasmat parvato vannimaniti. Jnanam anumitirupadhyate.
ज्ञानमनुमितिरुत्पद्यते
तदेतत् स्वार्थानुमानम्.
स्वार्थानुमानम्.
So tasmat from that paramarsha, what will happen? From paramarsha anumitihi utpadyate. Once paramarsha is there, anumiti, jnanam, utpatti will take place. How? Parvato vanniman iti jnana. So I see Dhuma, I have the knowledge of Vyapti, then I will say Parvato Vanniman. This Jnanam Utpadyate. This is called Swarthanumanam. For one's own sake, all I need is Vyapti Pakshadharmata. Vyapti Vishishta Pakshadharmata Jnanam is there, Paramarsha is there, Swarthanumanam will happen. Okay, Padakritya we will see tomorrow. But this part you understand properly, this is important. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.